Okay. This is part 4, and this will be the 4th part. Part 4 out of 5. It's about 9:30 in the afternoon. And we had 2 different, we got a store sale to spend half. All we see right now, none of them are, well, severe storms in the south, but no severe storms in the north. Lightning is in here. It's split in 2 pieces. The reason it was a lot orange because of the rain. That don't count. Not severe, but pretty much okay. Tonight chances are 50%, which we got hit, and that's it. Check the radar. There he is. It's like it's both in one piece. Oh, hold on. Try this again. I have, okay. No, I have some problems sometimes. I know I have problems sometimes. Sometimes it have problems. I'm in the old hard drive. I got 2 different hard drives, that's what it is. Look at that, okay, look. Well, that's baloney. Wiggle away all is better. You look carefully. You look very closely. That's what it is. That's... You know what happened though? It's like this piece, these 2 struck together. Then pop this and put it right back up. So this one is going to be right here. South side, and the north side will be right here. It's gonna happen about the next 15 minutes or so. Between here, between 9:05 down here, it's 9:15. Then right here is 9:35, 45. It's gonna happen in the next 20 minutes. So it's gonna be between 9:30 some and whatever. Nothing. It will be the last one though for the day. Okay. Oh, that is Wayne. You can see that wet stuff down there. because of dew point. It is nighttime. And it's coming from down here. So let me get this longer mode. There we go. Woke up. And enjoy the show. Turn this light off. It'd be better without light. You can see it. You can see it better without the light. It's not severe or anything, but it's cool in my end. And enjoy. We'll see if I can catch a lightning strike or not. You don't know what it's gonna be at. Looks like the rain's pushing right towards my direction. Oh, it's windy out. Look down here. We gotta look down here. Heavy rain. Heavy rain right now. Check away. I ain't supposed to do that. I'm supposed to do like that. Wow, I've never seen anything like that. That's just a tiny one. It's only got blue lights. Oh, he can't really see these. He can't really see nothing. Part 4. I might record part 5. I know we're gonna record part 5. Part 6 is possible. Yeah, part 6 will be possible. Chance of, and I was wrong. Part 5 is not be the last part, or part 5 might be the last part. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make 6 parts out of this. So guess what? Part 5 for 6 will be the last part. Okay, end of part 4. Part 5 will record in a second.